Hi, this is Ramon Roche. I'm a general manager for the Drone Code Foundation, a previous winner of the Airwards Industry Impactor Award, and a current judge of this season's awards. I had a terrific time going through all the applications with my fellow judges, looking at all the creative ways drones are being used with real impact out there. And it's my pleasure today to announce the Construction and Planning Award winner in the Industry Field Group. And the winner is HeroTech 8 for their project titled Power Station Aerial Inspection. Congratulations, HeroTech 8.
Hi, my name is Edward Anastaskas. I'm the CEO of HeroTech 8. And HeroTech 8 is a robotics startup developing remote drone-on-a-box technology for on-demand drone services. On behalf of the HeroTech 8 team, I'd like to say a massive thank you to Airwards for selecting us as the winner of the construction and planning category. This is an area we've seen exciting growth in and hope to accelerate our work in this sector. Our goal is to enable fully automated drone services to provide continuous aerial intelligence. So once again, thanks for recognizing HeroTech 8 as an industry leader with our drone-on-box technology.